On the top left, what you're seeing is the homepage of Amazon.com in 1995. Let's fast forward to today. In 2008, that's Google Maps with Street View. You start thinking about what are the kinds of things you could do if you rethought the browser from scratch. And that was the genesis of Google Chrome. So this is Google Chrome. It has a very simple, streamlined look, which I will talk about in a minute. The dictionary definition of Chrome, by Chrome, it means the borders of a web browser window and includes the menu bars, toolbars, scroll bars, and so on. It's kind of an ironic name for our product. While we call the product Chrome, the motto in the whole team was, how do we minimize Chrome? We used to call it content, not Chrome. That's what we should focus on.
I like to go to Amazon a lot. I like to do a lot of shopping. So I'll show you the way that works. I just hit A, and it knows, it's learned that I like to go to Amazon. So all I have to do is hit A, enter, and I'm already navigating to Amazon.com. Well, I'll just type Alaska Cruise, and everything, like Amazon.com just got out of my way, and I just hit enter, and now I'm doing a Google search.
So what Brian's going to do now is run a small little demo of loading pages. He's going to first load it in Internet Explorer. And this is a very simple demo that's loading static content off of the local file system. So it's taking I/O, network I/O out of the picture. And we're going to repeat this test now in Chrome. So I think that's a bit faster.